we're first going to want menu items. So what items we're going to display to the screen. So I'm going to use capital letters because it's going to be a constant. This is very rarely going to change. Main menu. Okay. I'm going to store it as a list. I'm going to make sure that each item has its own separate list element. So we're going to have student or add student. Going to have edit student. Oh, we'll try and have one where we can delete a student. Don't worry, you're safe. And close the list. So that's going to be my main menu. That's going to be the one that gets displayed. Now you'll notice that I haven't included numbers with it. I haven't included anything else. What I want to do is make a function so that I can use it for any menu system. It doesn't just have to be main menu. I could have submenus and submenus after that. Just want to have the option of being able to do it again. So this one's going to be, and I'm going to put comments as I go, function to display main menu items and validate input. Woohoo! That's what it's going to do. Alright, I'm going to define my main menu, or define my menu function. Now, things that I need to pass to my menu in order to get them to display. It's going to be the menu items, whatever they may be. Probably it for a little bit. Woohoo! Alright. Oh no. I'm going to give them a question as well. So, I'm going to print the question. And then get their input, so choice. Display it and then get their choice. Print the question. Then we need a counter. It's going to start at 1 because we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to give them the list. For item in items. Oh no, menu items. Do this. Print the string of counter plus a full stop and a space, and then I'm going to display each individual item. So it's going to go through the list menu items one after each other and put at the moment one dot then whatever the item is. So if we passed it the main menu, it would go 1 dot add student, 1 dot edit student, 1 dot delete student. That's not very useful if we want them to make a choice. So I'm going to make sure that I add 1 to the counter. So it'll go 1 dot add student, 2 dot edit student, 3 dot delete student. Okay, just want it to display the menu for a second. And let's run it. Choice equals menu. And I'm going to pass it the main menu, and I've got to pass it a question. Please select from these main menu options. Okay, save and run. Okay, so at the moment, all this is doing is running this function. It's not quite a function yet because it doesn't return anything, but it will do soon. It displays 1, 2, 3 and all the different options that I've got. But I want to be able to get the input and validate it as well. So try choice equals int, because I want them to type in 1, 2, or 3. And I want them to type in a value. I'm going to put them a prompt. That's just me. If you don't want to put a prompt, it's your choice. Except I think it's a value error in Python. Print error. Please make sure enter a new numerical value. Ooh, too much open on the Mac at the moment. Save and F5. So now I've got this prompt, which is here. This error will pick up on if I accidentally enter in something that isn't a number. So it'll be happy to accept 1, 2, 3, be happy to accept 0 and -1 as well at the moment because we haven't got that range check in. But at the moment, it won't accept anything other than integers or whole numbers. Now it does need to loop back through. So we can make this function, we call it recursive, if we call itself. So menu, oh actually, steal it from up there. And I'm going to return. If you speak now, you're going to be recorded, but there we go. Ha ha ha. Hey miss. This is what you get for recording it early in the morning. And then I've got 1, 2, 3. I can add in a number as many times as I want. Or, to trigger the error message, it'll loop through. Woo!